Hello, everyone. Today we will be discussing the pertinent requirements for the registration as hazardous waste generator. Before that, under the Philippine environmental laws, particularly the DNR Administrative Order 2013-22 and the Republic Act 6969, the establishments generating hazardous waste must register as a hazardous waste generator, and that is to ensure proper tracking, handling, and disposal of hazardous materials. So the thing is how to register as hazardous waste generator. Well, we go to hazardous waste management system of the DNR Environmental Management Bureau through hwms.emb.gov.ph. So we can access the DNR EMB online services on the registration as hazardous waste generator. In the system, you need to have an account. You need to ensure that your account in the HWMS is already linked to the company registration system of DNR. And of course, you submit the pertinent documentary requirements. So, the registration as a hazardous waste generator have the following requirements. Number one is the official letter of request addressed to the concerned EMB regional director. You just state in the letter that you are requesting for the issuance of a DNR ID number that can be used to transact with EMB on the matter of transport, treatment, disposal of hazardous waste. The DNR ID number to be granted by the concerned EMB regional office will be used for the transaction with EMB, especially on waste transport, treatment, and disposal. So just make a letter of request signed by the representative of the company or the waste generator. Number two, the duly notarized affidavit attesting to the truth, accuracy, and genuineness of all information, documents, and records contained and attached in the application. There's a prescribed template for this affidavit. All you have to do is provide the name of the representative of the establishment and the name of the company, have it signed by the representative, and have it notarized. We need to submit pertinent certifications, permits, accreditations, gaya like the environmental compliance certificate or certificate of non-coverage, the copy of the valid permit to operate, if applicable, for those who have generator sets, boiler, fuel storage tank, or any equipment with emissions containing regulated air pollutants, the copy of the valid discharge permit, the copy of the pollution control officer accreditation certificate. We need also to submit the geotag photo of the hazardous waste storage area and two plans, the description of existing waste management plan and the contingency and emergency plan. Some are engaged in the processing and manufacturing of products, so they are required to submit the mass balance of manufacturing process and other relevant information. We shall pay the registration fee amounting to 1,040 pesos per registration. So if in the future um you will have an amendment. You you will pay again amounting to 1,040 pesos. So this is the regular checklist of requirements for the purpose of registration as a hazardous waste generator. Meanwhile, there are establishments that are operating with tenants. So there are sets of requirements for the registration as a hazardous waste generator intended for mall or building owners. There's a change in the list of requirements per section 2.1 of EMB Memorandum Circular 2020-19 dated April 20, 2020. An additional list of individual tenants or establishment. So if you are the mall operator or commercial space owner or lessor, you can register as waste generator for your establishments involving tenants. So therefore, in the submission of the requirements, you need to provide the list of individual tenants or establishments. Provide the name of the establishment, the name of the owner, the kind of hazardous waste they are generating, the volume of waste they are generating, expressed in tons in a year, and the same registration fee amounting to 1,040 pesos. And therefore, if you are tenant of a commercial space or if you're a tenant or lessee inside the mall, you are not obliged to register as waste generator. Now, if you wish to register as waste generator, even though you are renting a commercial space or you are a mall tenant, you shall request a certification from the mall operators or owners of a commercial space that you will be the one to handle your hazardous waste. Now, for those who are tenant or lessee of a commercial space, if you will not register as a hazardous waste generator, that does not exempt you to have your um, appropriate storage area for the hazardous waste generated in your facility or in your space. Now, for those who are doing registration as a hazardous waste generator, being the approved clustered establishment. So if there is a group of establishments called as a cluster, you may want to register as a hazardous waste generator for the cluster. And in addition to the registration requirements provided under section 2.1 as shown on the screen, you will submit these additional registration requirements under section 2.2 of the Memorandum Circular 2020-19. And what are these? The letter from the EMB Central Office on the approved clustering, the information on the individual member establishments per approved cluster, the affidavit of joint undertaking among individual member establishments, the cluster managing head and the cluster PCO, and the map of clustered individual establishments, including geotag photos of the facade of the establishment. So, in addition with the um, requirements provided in section 2.1, there shall be the submission of these additional requirements. So these are the pertinent requirements for the registration as hazardous waste generator. And I hope you have learned something on the pertinent requirements for the registration as a hazardous waste generator. And if you want to know more about environmental compliance, environmental requirements, environmental management. If you want to know more about procedures and standards, please subscribe to this channel. Please share this video. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much, everyone, and have a great day. God bless us all.